Hello everyone, this is Kane. Today I will teach you how to use SurfStar to have a point survey. Okay, let's run SurfStar. We need to start a new project, so we click Project Management and add, and we can name it Tutorial. The operator is King. And we have device G2. Okay. Then we need to set the coordinate system. You can click here and use the existing coordinate system. Click Predefine and select the coordinate system you need. Okay, now we successfully set it. Now let's connect a device. Click Connection and search Bluetooth. And here we click Connect.
Bluetooth is connected.
Now we set data link to Bluetooth and add a cost account. Refresh the mount point and we can select MSM4 here. Now we get a fixed solution and click Survey, Point Survey. First, we need to set the pole height, say to 1.8 meters as it's shown. Then we need to strictly level the bubble here and click Survey. Okay. Now we get a point. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.